The hoppo. Yeah, it's really cute.
That's their wing. That when they fly, they don't always need to flap their wings. They can mostly just leave them flat while they glide through the air. Well, the first one when we learned about earthworms, because we made that earthworm house. I think we need to protect nature because nature is really important, and without nature we wouldn't live.
I think they should join because they should learn how to take care of the environment.